Front yard garden fences can serve multiple purposes, such as defining the boundaries of your property, adding curb appeal, providing security, and protecting your garden from unwanted visitors or animals. When selecting a fence for your front yard garden, consider the following factors: purpose and goals. Determine the primary purpose of the front yard garden fence. Is it mainly decorative for security or to keep out animals and pests? Identify your goals such as enhancing curb appeal, creating privacy, or showcasing your garden. Local regulations. Check local zoning regulations and homeowners association rules regarding front yard garden fences. There may be height restrictions or design guidelines to follow. Fence material. Choose a fence material that complements your home's architectural style and the overall aesthetic of your front yard. Common materials include wood, vinyl, metal, bamboo, or composite materials. Design and style. Match the design and style of your fence to your home's design. For example, a picket fence might be well suited for a traditional style home, while a modern home might benefit from a sleeker, more contemporary fence. Consider decorative elements like arches, lattice panels, or ornamental posts for added visual interest. Height. Determine the appropriate height of the fence based on your objectives. A low picket fence may provide a decorative boundary, while a taller fence can offer more privacy and security. Keep in mind that very tall fences may create a closed-off or fortress-like appearances, which may not be desirable in all neighborhoods. Maintenance. Consider the level of maintenance required for the chosen material. Wood fences may need staining or painting, while vinyl or metal fences are typically low maintenance. Regularly inspect and maintain your fence to ensure it stays in good condition. Gates and entrances. Plan for gate access in your front yard fence. The gate should match the fence style and provide easy access to your property. Ensure that the gate is secure and equipped with the suitable locking mechanism if security is a concern. Landscaping. Integrate landscaping elements with your front yard fence to enhance its visual appeal. This can include planting flowers, shrubs, or climbing vines alongside the fence. Lighting. Lighting. Consider adding outdoor lighting fixtures along the fence to highlight your garden and increase visibility at night. Budget. Set a budget for your front yard garden fence project, include materials, labor, and any additional features or landscaping. Neighborhood aesthetic. Take into account the overall aesthetic of your neighborhood. Your fence should complement the character of the area. Front yard garden fences may enhance the beauty and functionality of your home's exterior space. Take time to plan your fence carefully, ensuring it meets your objectives while complying with local regulations and adding to the overall appeal of your property.